We are here in Pontardawe for a landmark day for UK manufacturing. Wall Colmonoy is officially unveiling its £2.5 million vacuum precision investment casting facility, the VPIG, and it's happening right here in the Swansea Valley. This state-of-the-art vacuum furnace is one of the largest in Europe. It allows for castings of complex nickel-based superalloys in an oxygen-free environment, ensuring the kind of metal purity required for jet engines and high-tech defence applications.
This facility will really strengthen the sovereign capability within the UK for such components that require vacuum casting. And this will be the case because there is limited capacity within the UK, and a lot of it is already dedicated to civil aerospace, for instance. But as we know, we've got an increased demand for defence investment.
What it truly feels like is we know this is one of the most unique pieces of equipment in the entire world. And that the fact that we have it here in Pontardawe, Wales means a lot to me. The fact that it's part of my family's legacy is to have this type of cutting-edge technology makes me very proud that we are continuing that innovative tradition that started 88 years ago in Wall Colmonoy.
So as I've been walking around today, I've noticed that I've met people that I know as friends I didn't realise worked here. So it's really good to see that local people are getting employed. And I also know what quality people they are. So it's great to see them helping drive forward a business like this.
So the partnerships that Rolls-Royce make are typically long-term partnerships. We recognise that aerospace is a longer cycle business. We invest not only in the capability but also in the people, in the development and sharing our knowledge and expertise. So in the long term, I would love to see this facility being used to produce parts that are then used in our products that can be used for the armed forces globally around the world.
Well, I think there's a great expertise in South Wales around metallurgy, around engineering, but this gives a capability that hasn't been here before. I think it's pretty unique, and so I think it's a real catalyst for the area to develop and grow.
What an investment and facility! As the country looks to bolster its industrial resilience, here in Pontardawe is proving that the future of aerospace is being forged right here in Wales, securing a vital link in the UK's supply chain.